Hi viewers, today we are going to learn how to transfer the design to the cloth for embroidery or ari work. If your drawing is good, you can directly draw on the cloth, but it will not be applicable if you are using the same design repeatedly. For example, if you are working on sari or dupatta, drawing with hand may result in change in size and shape. You can use carbon paper. First, you have to draw design on paper and transfer it on the cloth using carbon paper. The drawback is the color of the carbon paper may smudge on the sides of the design. This will ultimately spoil the cloth. This method is widely used by professionals in small scale as well as large scale industries. In this method, you have to draw the design on paper, pin the sides of the paper to the tracing paper using bell pins. This will firmly hold the tracing paper to the design paper. Now transfer the design to the tracing paper by placing the drawing paper below it. Since the tracing paper is transparent, the drawing is easily visible. To draw, I have used a pen. Later, I have used a sketch so that it looked prominent and dark. You can draw any design or create your design as per your need. Now I am going to punch the whole design. Usually people use punching pen which is available in shop. I am using safety pin. Make holes at same size and distance. Before punching or making holes on the whole design, place soft cloth below the tracing paper so that the tip of the pin moves down easily and we get even and same type of holes all over the design. The advantage of this method is you can use this same tracing paper for further use. For example, if you are getting the same order by another customer, you no need to draw it again. You can take the tracing paper and directly transfer the design on the cloth. I usually prefer to place net cloth below the tracing paper while making holes because the net cloth already contain holes. It helps me to make even holes in the tracing paper. To color, we usually use robin blue color powder for light color cloth and a chalk powder for dark color cloth. Details of this is given in the description box. I have taken 1 spoon of blue color powder in an old bowl. To this I have added kerosene. Do not use this bowl for any other purpose as it may contain chemicals which may be harmful. Kerosene will evaporate as it gets dry and leaves behind only the color. Mix it well, take a piece of cotton cloth, dip it in color and squeeze extra oil. Using pins, fix the punched tracing paper on the cloth on which you want to design. Now gently rub the cotton cloth on the design as it's shown here. Make sure do not shake the paper. Remove the tracing paper and let it dry. Try this and share your results in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.